Hey and welcome to this new video of learning and mastering Symfony 3. So in this video we'll learn about twig. So first of all, if we go here to this bundle or that we just created, or to that controller, and you go to post, after that see the index.html.twig. Here we see that our code editor don't understand, for example, this twig syntax. To make him understand that, let's go and install an extension. So if you use Visual Code, click on this icon and after that search for twig and then install this extension, twig syntax highlight for PHP twig, highlighting for PHP twig. If you use another code editor, just go in your extension and search for twig, then install it. After that, go to here and then search for HTML with twig. See here, HTML and twig. So click on it, and now we see that those are in color. That means that our code editor recognized them. Now I will copy that. So Control X. But now let's delete for the moment. Let's delete this ununderstandable tag. So delete it. Let's generate new HTML 5. Don't know why Sublime don't work. HTML. So now let's pass that again. Save. Let's go and check the navigator again. If refresh, the result will be the same. And here, yeah, the result is the same. Now, first I will show you another method to send the data from controller to the twig. Since here we have a table, let's create, for example, another variable. So let's name it data send, and let's copy and paste that. So Control X, and here Control Z, and with semicolon at the end. So it just make this text more visible here. And now I will let's create another variable. Let's name it ID, and let's give it just 1 for name as number int. So save it. Now this is the data or the variable. Let's put it in here. Now let's go back and show this ID as the output. So here let's say num as number, and let's put the ID. Let's save. Let's go to our navigator, refresh the page, and it must be added number 1. Tell me that error. I forget the dollar in here. So let's go back. Yeah, I forget the dollar. Let's save. Go and check again. Refresh. Now it will work. Here, number 1. Now how about if we want to create a variable in but not in the controller, but this time in our HTML or in our twig? So let's see how we can do that. So let's create a variable in here, and to create a variable we need to put it between 2 brackets, and in those 2 brackets 2% like here, and after that set, then the name of the variable. For example, let's name it name, and let's name it John. John Doe, for example, just John here. And now to read this variable, we put it also between the two brackets, and after that name of the variable, and in our case the name is name. So now we need to see this John appear before the date. So let's go and refresh the page. You must see it here, and see, now we see John in the output because we declare it, and we also make it as output, or we write it with our twig. Now let's see if we can put some condition or some if else in our twig. So let's make a condition in here, and to put a condition it's two, and not just one accolade, and with two like percentage. And if, for example, ig equal 1, we will let's make me put the name outside here. So if the ig is equal 1, this will show, and if the ig is not equal to 1, this name will show. So here let's end this if. So percentage and if, let's save it. Now we have in the controller we have the ig equal to 1, so the output will be the same in here, but let's check. Yeah, so here the same. Now let's change the output from the ig from 1 to 2, save it. Let's go and refresh now, and now we will see just the name. Yeah, just name, because here the ig is not equal to 1. So now if we want to do also the else, so we will put it like that, and here we name it else. Now let's put, or let's just give, for example, another one. So each one sorry for that, don't know what happened to my image. Each one, and let's give it, for example, id is not equal to 1, or ig is not 1, to keep it simple. So now the ig is not equal to 1, because here the ig it's 2, I believe. Yeah, it's 2. So now the output will this each one with the name. So let's see that. Let's go and refresh, and ig is not 1 and the name. If we go back to our controller and change that to id to 1 again, save, go back to the navigator, and now all the text with title and paragraph, all it will show up. Now let's use the double condition. So go back to our twig, and here before the else, let's make an else if. So else if for example ig is bigger than 1, so just copy and paste that. And here name also ig is bigger than 1. So if we go to change the ig to 2, save, go back, refresh, and see here that we have the ig is bigger than 1. If we put 0, it will show us the else in here. So let's go back and refresh. here ig is not 1 or it's null. So now let's see the buckle in how we can create them with twig, for and while. So now we will see the loop, but first let's just make this table bigger. So we will copy that. Now before copying that, we'll use another, yes, so this, and close it in here. Now just copy and paste that. So inside the table or inside the array we have another array or another table. So here ig equal 1 and here ig equal 2. Let's save. Now let's put this in a variable. So let's do again a table, and we will name it, for example, article with s, and remember that. Now I will just copy and paste that in here. Now let's save, go back to twig. I will delete that if condition, and to use the loop I will use for loop. So first bracket, then name for example article without s in articles, and this articles with s is this. So, and since I opened the for, I need to close it, and to close it it's with and for. But now let's write our data. So here I will make it in h1. Don't know what happened to my image, so I will just write it h1. And here let's start with title, and this title now is in this article. So article dot title. Here let's make it h2. It's here article dot parag, I think, and here dot data. Here let's make it in h3, and let's put between every article a line, so hr. So now let's save, go back to Chrome, and just to refresh to check it output or the result. See here it gave us as output 3 article. Let's make sure with ig. Let's add ig also. Here num, and let's add also the ig and article dot ig. So let's save it, go again, refresh the page. See here number 1, 0, 1 and 2. So this is all the article that we have. So now we see how we can put condition or if else and else if in twig, and also the for loop. So now what you need to remember from this video is we have, for example, now we see two things that we can write with twig. First of all, with 2 accolades. So this 2, if we write 2 accolades, that means we want to write something in the output or in navigator. If you see this accolade and percentage, it's for declaring an operation, like for example for or if. And the other one is with this. So we open the bracket and we write this, and as you see for the line it's a comment. So for example for each. So this is if we want to comment something, this is if we want to make an operation like for, if, switch, and other that we will see next. And this is for if we want to put something to be seen in the navigator or in output. So this is all for this video. See you soon.